okay, how are you? I'm fantastic. Hey Bree, is there a pair of shoes behind the counter for me? Your fave 9D team. Oh, I love it.
That's all done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. This is my third pair of these shoes, and I absolutely love them. And I've gotten them so many times now that I'm having to start numbering them. Perfect. I got to keep this box too now. Hello, beautiful man.
Unbelievable.
That's what, like 3 months old now? I think. It's like 3-month-old shoes, new shoes. He's off, I gotta go catch up with him. Lucky, I think you're a better climber than me now.
Oh, I don't know about that, man.
I think you are.
It's been a good while since I've climbed properly.
Lucky's teaching me how to do weight training because I've never done it before. Jesus, those are so big!
10 kilos, man. They're like out here. No. Oh shit, man.
So man, I can only do a dirty muscle up though. Oh yeah, come on, yeah!
Oh, there we go. Oh. Yay! Yes! Okay, I'm done.
Done. Alright, we're done. Bye, thank you for the workout.
Yeah, it's fine, man.
Love ya. See you in a couple hours. I'm stopping really quickly on the way home to get groceries because I'm having my 21st party tonight. You know how it is, you gotta get snacks and make sure that everyone's fed and cared for and blah blah blah. Today is not a particularly creative day, nor is it a particularly heavy work day. I'm just gonna exercise and shop and get set up. Thanks, dude.
You're welcome.
So I saw this sign on my drive home. The sign said, "Motivation is like momentum, it builds when you move." That was the sign that I saw. And I thought that was, I don't know, that just like hit a chord in my brain. Because that's kind of how I feel about, you know, making these vlogs, right? Like, that's the whole kind of concept behind it, is that by starting doing one thing, my creative brain never turns off. That's what I'm getting at. I don't know, I just wanted to share that with you. I thought that was quite cool. Oh, I miss you.
Too long.
Oh.
You vlogger.
I'm a little
vlogger.
I'm a little vlogger now.
Hey guys, my name is Reese.
Joe got me a monitors for my computer, and I'm labeling them now. There, it says Frank Menken, B-Day 22 from Joe.
No.
All right, I'm gonna go party now.
It's just past midnight. We're done with the party. It was really fun. And now I'm editing the vlog. And Joe's eating salami and cheese.
I'm excited.
I didn't think I'd get this dedicated to the vlog when I started it.
No, the fact that you've stayed up now to do this.
Alright. I guess I'm committed now.